Hey guys, I hope that all being well great. Well, in this video, as you read the title, it is definitely correct, and that is how do we 100x our money, and that too very very fast. And the reason I'm covering this particular video because I myself discovered it, and I am into this particular thing, and this is very very tempting, and this is the reason exactly I feel how a lot of people are making big sums of money. You might have seen the crypto millionaires, crypto multimillionaires, crypto billionaires hanging out in places like Dubai and stuff, spending like $5,000 a day. Like how suddenly they became so much rich. Obviously there was a crypto boom that we all heard, like Bitcoin reaching, right now it is trading at $63,000. But the point is, when we are talking about 100xing our money, can it be possible just by probably going out there and buying Apple stock, Facebook stock, or any of the stock out there? That too, like in the best of the best scenarios, 100x happens over a period of at least 5 years. Here we are talking like, how can we 100x it within a month? And let me tell you, this is pretty much possible. A lot of people are doing this. It involves its own risk, which I'm going to show you in this particular video, and that is known as leverage trading. And even like in the cryptocurrency world, just going out there and buying a cryptocurrency, I mean, it's like quite a thing for a currency to go 100x. That means, let's say you went out there and bought Bitcoin right now. For 100x of Bitcoin, it has to become $6.3 million. I mean, that is kind of a impossible kind of task in a short frame of time. Yes, 10 years down the line, anything might be happening. Like somebody says $10 million Bitcoin, but obviously waiting for 10 years and then 100xing your money is not worth it. I feel like when we are talking about turning money into 100x fast. The strategy that I'm talking about is the leverage trading. It has its own risk, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Basically, this is the leverage trading platform of this Binance that has been opened right now. Now, how does it work? As you can see, the available balance, it is because I already have like some of the trades open. Let's say you put in 100. I mean, I have some of the trades open already, like some of them in positive, some of them in negative. Let's say you put in $100. I have put some more than $100 in this particular account right now for this current process. What is the maximum amount that you can lose when you put $100 in here? Obviously $100. You cannot lose more than that. So this is the thing, like this is the risk we are talking about. $100 you put in, that is the maximum that you lose. Now how it actually will make you money? Now I'm going to show you, this is the leverage, because initially once you will sign up at the Binance, by the way, the link I've mentioned down below in the video description, make sure you click on that link and sign up completely free for Binance, where you are going to do this future trading and leverage trading. Right now it is selected at 20x. Now what this simply means, let's say I have $428 and the price of Bitcoin is this much. I buy the Bitcoin for $400, right? And then I wait for the price to go to, let's say, 10% increment. 10% increment from here means $69,000. 10% increment, $69,000. How much my money would become? $400 will become $440. But that's where the leverage trading comes. That is going to make you big sum of money. In fact, as you can see right now, it is 20x. It is up till 125x. But initially, for the first 60 days, Binance is only going to allow you up till 20x. Now, what this 20x simply means? Let's say $400 I have put at this particular current price, and 10% increase will make $440. What if at 20x leverage, Binance is going to put 20 times the money from our side? That means, what is the 20 times of $400? That is $8,000. It is going to put $8,000 on the line when we are buying. When we are putting $400, they are putting 20x the amount, that is $8,000. And then when the 10% increase, what is the 10% of $8,000? That is $800. And I take profit. They are going to give me as profit $800 that is squeezed out of the market. Now the question comes, some people might be asking, why would Binance do something like that? Like, why would they give 20x the money, put the 20x the money in this particular trade, or probably 100x for some of the people, like $400 we put, Binance will put $40,000. Why would they do that? The reason is simple. They do that because they do not lose a single penny. In fact, they make more money because when we putting $8,000 on the line, the fees that they charge 0.1%, that will be more for them. So the only way that they make money is via the fees. They do not lose at all. Now, why they do not lose, that comes a question. Obviously, the reason I'm clarifying this because we need to understand how a strategy works. Otherwise, I mean, just somebody saying, okay, 100x your money, give me your money, I'm going to give it back. I mean, it doesn't work that way. Everyone has to be benefiting, and you should know where the value is being generated. Now, once they are offering this 20x leverage, that means for $8,000 they are providing you as leverage in regards to $400. They are putting buying $8,000, and that's when the price increases. Just imagine the 10% increase of the price will make how much? Because the Bitcoin market or any other crypto market is the external, not related with Binance. Binance is just putting $8,000 on our behalf, and then once the 10% increases and we click on sell or take profit, what happens? Binance is actually going to, how much money Binance is going to get back? It is going to get back 8,800 because they put 8,000. Now 8,800 is the total amount left with them. So what they are going to do, they are going to again take the loan amount that they took, which is 7,600. Obviously 400 was ours. So they are going to take away their amount which they put as the leverage, and the remaining profit they are going to give it to us. What was the remaining profit? $800. And the only thing that they're charging is extra fees, which becomes 20 times, and 0.1% of 8,000, if you calculate, that will be $8. Otherwise they would have been charging on $400 pretty less otherwise, but on $8,000 they'll be charging a little more, which is $8. So now you get it. They are going to get a fees of $8 instead. Before they were only supposed to get $0.4, that is 40 cents. That is where they are making the money. Otherwise they are getting the money back. Now let's say the case goes other way around. That means there is a 10% decrement rather than increment. Now what is going to happen? Like from 63,000 to 56,000 the price falls, and actually I have bought a long. That means I'm expecting the price to go up. What is going to happen? They are going to buy $8,000 worth of stuff. Now once the 10% falls down, what is the amount left with them? That is minus $800. But guess what? We only had $400. So what they are going to do, the moment they get minus $400 in the market, the system will automatically sell everything, and they are going to recover their 7,600 and we'll be left with zero. That means initially, if things did not go in our way, if 10% decrement happens or 5% decrement happens, we will be deducted with only 5% or 10%. But here at the leverage, at 5% multiplied by 20, that is 5% becomes 5% of negativity becomes 100%. So that is where the risk is. So once you're putting $100 and you're putting 20x, at that time if the price goes 5% down, you have not put stop loss. Stop loss is like, let's say you have put at 1%. Or probably 1% or 0.5%, anything like that, it is going to be stopped. Like it is going to sell the order and you'll be having a little bit of loss, like 20% of the loss. But here, this is how exactly it works. So this is the strategy. Now, how are you actually going to trade? There are a lot of chart reading techniques and stuff that you are going to anyways learn over a period of time. But let's say you're a layman. What are you going to wait for? As you can see, the Bitcoin dumped at this price, right? 61,490, and then suddenly there was a spike up and it went back up till here. So you do not, you want to do a risk-free trading where you're always in a win-win situation. So you are not going to buy over here, but rather, which place are you going to buy? You can buy at exactly, let's say 61,500. You can put the order at 61,500 as buy order, and I put, like, let's say how much money I'm putting on the line. I'm putting, let's say $392, and this Binance guys will 20x this amount. So I click on buy long. Now you can go to sleep, and I can put the take profit. Let's say I'm expecting the price is going to jump back to over here 62, let's say 62,200. So when the price reaches here, buy my order. When the price reaches over here, sell the order. That is 1% or 20%, I mean 2% approximately, multiplied by 20x, that is 40% of $400. I'll be making commission if the price ranges this way, right? And let's say I'm scared, what if the price further goes down? Then probably this is the last week that happened. I can guesstimate, I can put it at 61,300. That means at this point, just sell my order. Do not wait for the Bitcoin to go further down. And that is fair enough. Right now I'm not taking the risk because the price has already moved up. Now I'm expecting maybe sometime the price is certainly going to go down, and the similar pattern is going to repeat. So that is why like I'm playing it safe, where I almost go for the win-win. Let me show you some of the trades that have been opened, just to give you an example. Like on this point, I just put $33 of my own. What was the entry point price? It was $3,736, and current price is $3,800. That is only $76 up, and I put this much. Guess what? 20x times they put the money, that means more than $600, and I'm right now already up with this much just price increment. There is probably 1 point some percent, but this 1.2% or 3% has become 20x because of the leverage, and it is already in profit like $12, right? So I have put $33 of risk on the line, and I'm already in profit with $12. This one I've just put $38. It is just starting to profit. This one, as you can see, this is the negative one. I've put $23, but the price like started from here, and right now it is over here. I'm waiting for it to increase, and at any point I can just click on like market or close all position, and I'll be ending up in profit right now, as you can see. So this is the reason, guys, I'm showing it to you guys. Let's say you put $100 and then you have 100x enabled. That means you're putting $10,000, and let's say you choose for the best opportunity where there is a big dump of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, and that's when you're expecting a huge jump up, probably 100% of jump up. Cryptocurrency, it happens, right? You're setting the order and just waiting probably for a few days as well. Now Binance is putting actually 10,000, like for your $100, if you're putting at 100x leverage, it is putting at $10,000 on your behalf. Now let's say the price doubles. What will be your profit? Out of $100, you have made the profit of, like Bitcoin, obviously Binance will get a profit of like $20,000 they can recover after selling when the price doubles, and they are going to give you the profit of $10,000 will be reflected over here. So your $100 has been converted into $10,000. By the way, guys, this might sound to be very complicated. Let me tell you, all you have to do is just one simple trade. Just do a trade of $1, I'll say $1, $2, and that's when you will learn the art of trading. This is so much fun. Yes, there are risks, but this is the real money making, or like the flow of money would be in this particular direction. You would not want to miss out on this, I'm pretty sure. Now, first step that you need to do, just pause this video. Go and pause this video, click the link down below in the video description, register on the Binance, right? Why do I say click the link down below? Use the link because that's my referral link, and you are going to get a lot of bonuses. You'll see in the notification tab that you have some extra available bonuses already that you can redeem. Like you'll see the benefits out there. So this is the reason I want you guys to ensure that you click the link down below in the video description. Sign up completely free. Take your time. All you have to do is just go to Binance futures. There is a spot buy. That means you just buy the currency, hold it, wait for the price to increase, and then there is a Binance future. Very easy to find. And within Binance future, you'll be open like any of the currency you want to choose. I have opened the BTC, Bitcoin. You can choose Ethereum. You can choose any of the, and then you can start trading on that. Just see the chart, where it is going. Place your bet at the safe point. Now, another best part about the trading is you just don't have to only rely on buying and expecting the price to go higher. Now, let's say I am expecting, we are at the height right now, and I'm expecting the price to go lower. So I can sell it. That means, let's say $63,442 is the price point, and from here I feel the price is going to go down up till 62,500. What I can do, I can click on sell short. Now it is going to give me the same benefit. The more the price decreases, the more it is going to give me the amount of profit, like just opposite of buy long. Now how does they make money via this? Like why they will pay you for selling short? Because they have a lot of bitcoins or any cryptocurrency staked with them, right? All right, so probably I'm just going to put it over here. We have one of the instructions. I've joined one of the groups, so this is one of the instructions where I would want to sell short because the price is increasing. I'll be live selling it short in front of you guys if the price goes to this point, 64,420. They have a lot of bitcoins. What they are going to do, the moment that we click over here, let's say they are going to sell, I'm putting $400, they are going to sell $8,000 of bitcoin, right? And then if the price decreases, let's say to this point, $62,000, whatever that we are putting, and then that's when we close the position. We click on close the position. That means they are going to buy back. Now how much bitcoin will they buy back? Just imagine how much money will they have to pay, because at the lower price obviously they will have to pay the less money to buy the same amount of bitcoin. So let's say they sold probably 0.5 bitcoin, and then right now at $62,000 price they are going to buy back 0.5 bitcoin at lesser price. So what they are going to do, all the profit that is left, they are going to give it to us, and the profit will be on the same margin. 10% increase, there will be 200%, like $800 multiplied by 20. And similarly, if the price starts going up, we will be at the loss. So that is why probably we put the stop loss, let's say $64,000. That if the price reaches $64,000, just close everything at a loss, whatever loss that happens. The point is, this is highly risky, but the reward is high as well. At some point I feel we need to be putting ourselves on the risky line. I mean, we have to take risk if you want to make it big in life. So guys, I hope that this particular trading thing was clear, and most importantly, see, if you are not familiar, like you did not get the exact procedure, how do you do it, doesn't matter. The moment that you'll start doing it, the moment you just did it, like $1 trade, $2 trade, you can start it out with, you will exactly realize how to do it. It is not at all problematic. The reason, more importantly, why I made this particular video is to show you where exactly the value is generated. Why would somebody allow you to 100x your money? Because trillions of dollars, like billions of dollars, are flowing in Bitcoin. Let's say you just put $1 million over here at this price and then took out $100 million. It would not at all matter to the market. It's such a big market. So this is the reason that getting into the place where the rich pond is out there, the big fish is out there, that's where the big money is made. Probably initially you might face a little bit of trouble, but once you learn the art, I mean, I've seen a lot of people like showing their live trade. There are millions of dollars in profit. Like Bitcoin, 20 days back it was $40,000. A lot of people opened their longs, and right now it is at $60,000. I mean, I've seen one of the guy in profit $1 million plus. Just imagine, he put not even 1/5 of the money, $1 million plus at 10x leverage, and that is the profit. This is what this particular field can do, and this is the reason I wanted to make this particular video. And by the way guys, please do ensure that you hit the like button if you like the video. Please do comment down below for the best takeaway from this video. What is the best takeaway, or what kind of things, what kind of videos you would want to see in the future? This channel will be everything related with how do you make money online and offline, and the goal of this channel is to provide you financial freedom with providing different strategies of making money online, turning your money into multiple X. So again, thanks a lot for watching the video. Again, I hope that you liked it, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.